Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. 2 minutes to go before the jobs report on a huge day for XRP and crypto. As we see Bitcoin going down, XRP going down on the XRP Community Day. We'll be live with that shortly later on with a special all day, including the full schedule on our website, martynlucas.com/XRP. We've now got 1 minute and 30 seconds before the report comes out. Jobs Day. If you want this is directly from our very own newsletter. Got a free trial or 25% off. Jobs Day, the greatest statistical reset. Let's have a look at this. Jerome Powell, what's he going to do? The 2025 economy. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Let's get the headlines. The US labor market faces a moment of truth today as the Bureau of Labor Statistics finally drops a delayed January jobs report following a partial government shutdown. This isn't just another monthly update. It's a massive statistical recalibration. Wall Street is looking for a modest gain of around 75,000 jobs and an unemployment rate holding steady at 4.4%. However, the real story lies in the annual benchmark revisions and a new birth-death model. These adjustments are expected to officially acknowledge that job growth in 2025 was much slower than originally reported, potentially erasing nearly 1 million jobs from the historical record. Jerome Powell has already hinted at a systemic overcount, and Goldman Sachs suggests a new methodology could shave up to 50,000 jobs off the monthly report. Let's go straight to it. We've got it all coming up for you right now. Here we go. We're seconds away from the report. I've got multiple sources bringing it to you. Let's refresh the screen. What have we got here? Let's have a look. Seconds away.
Welcome back. Okay, let's get you this set up because we are literally 30 seconds for the January jobs report. And here's what you need to know. They call it scores on the doors.
I'll have it before CNBC. Non-farm.
The treasuries, the last check on the 10-year was
payrolls.
Right
Bear with me. Here we go.
Can we call it that? Rick Santelli.
We're just waiting now.
You know what? Let's take a quick look across the treasury complex.
Stand by.
There's the 2-year yield backing up ever so slightly to 345. The 30-year and the longer end is where, again, you're seeing a little bit of this
non-farm payrolls, 130,000, expecting.
Has the numbers. Hi, Rick.
This is up.
Hi, good morning, Kelly. Yes, it's Jobs Wednesday. Not necessarily a Friday, but every bit as important. Non-farm payrolls for January coming in twice expectations at 130,000. 130K, that would be the juiciest going back to April of last year when it was 158. Now, if we look at a couple of months worth of revision, they came in at minus 17,000. Now, let's look for average hourly earnings month over month, up 0.4. That's 1/10 higher than both looking back and looking forward. 0.4 would equal October last year. You are all the way back to the summer of 24 to find a higher month-over-month earnings number. Let's go year over year. 3.7 exactly as expected. 1/10 light to 3.8 in the rear view mirror. So how does that stack up? 3.7 would be the lightest since it was actually 3.6 Thanksgiving of last year. Now let's look at hours worked, shall we? 34.3. That increase, that's a good thing. That's up 1/10 from both what we were expecting and our last look. 34.3 would equal November. To find a higher one, you're all the way back to March of 24. Now the unemployment rate may be the most important number of all, and it moves down 1/10, 4.3%. All the
good news today
out there, they're going to like this set of data points. 4.3 would be equal to where we were in August of last year. To find a lower number, you're looking at June of last year.
Great numbers.
Labor force participation moved up as well. More good news, 62.5. That would be the best since it was 62.6 in April of last year. And drumroll, please, the final number I'm going to give you is U6, the underemployment rate, and it comes in at 8%. 8%. Last look was 8.4. 8% would be the best.
Great day for crypto. Great day for XRP. Great day for the markets.
For the bad news, but expected bad news, we're looking at benchmark revisions from April of 24 to March of 25. The original number that we were looking at was around minus 900,000, comes in at minus 862,000. So the benchmark revisions are a little less than expected, but some were actually thinking it'll be in the 700,000 camp. So that comes into minus 862. What are yields doing? Zoom, zoom, zoom is what yields are doing. We moved from 4.12, which was down 3 on a 10-year, to 4.19. That makes sense. A 2-year really screaming from 3.45 all the way up to 3.53. Why? Because these are solid, solid data points. And one more thing I'd like to point out, I am really on this kick. I think seasonal adjustments are dead on arrival on most numbers. Yesterday's retail sales look flat.
It's a great day for crypto. It's a great day for the markets. It's a great day to be in the market.
It was the strongest December on record at 818 billion. Kelly, Sully, back to you.
Everybody, Rick, thank you very much.
All right, there we go. Great numbers coming in this morning. This is our jobs report. You're going to see a great day, and it couldn't have come at a better time. So we've got Bitcoin now all of a sudden going up. This could flash up today. We could see XRP running up today. Of course, we're fully invested in XRP. We're fully invested in Ethereum. We're fully invested in the market. I've gone all in on Robinhood. That will go up because of let me just tweak that. That will go up today because this is primarily a crypto play, of course. Robinhood, that will do well today. That's why I bought it. And Google, look, that's going to go up today and make me about 20 grand in one day today. This could be my record breaking of all-time day today. I went in on this on big. I bought Google. I told you last night in Discord and Electrum that this could be a 20% pop on this. That's why I am all in. There you go. I'm going to make a prediction. I'm going to turn the studio green. The studio has to go green now. They'll like this. What a day this has been. Stay right where you are if you're watching me live. I'm just going to end this so I can put it out as a video by itself. Please stand by. Do not go anywhere. All right? Okay. If you're watching this later on as a video, it's going to be a great day. My portfolio is about to go massively green. I'm making a huge prediction, but I'm pretty confident. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here. That was the jobs report that we've waited for. Expect volatility, but we're in for a great day. Stand by. I'm not going anywhere if you're live. Here we go. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.